In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit table borders in Google Docs. Before diving into the specifics, let's set the scene. Google Docs is a wonderful tool for anyone who collaborates with others on documents, given its seamless ability to integrate with other Google services and its cloud-based platform. But did you know you can customize your tables to better suit your needs, whether it's changing the border colors or adjusting the width to make data stand out? Editing table borders is straightforward once you know where to look. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you feel comfortable using. With your browser open, head to google.com. If you aren't already signed in, locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page and click it. Make sure you enter the correct email address in the provided field. Once you've done that, click Next. Now type in your password and hit Next again to proceed. You'll know you're signed in when you see your account icon or initials on the top right corner of the browser. With that out of the way, look for a small grid icon on the top right-hand side of the screen, often referred to as the Google Apps button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you want to select Google Docs, which will open the Google Docs homepage where all your documents live. Once in Google Docs, locate and open the document containing the table you wish to edit. Click anywhere inside the table to make sure it's selected. Now, turn your attention to the top of the screen. You'll need to click on the Format menu to access more options for altering your table. From there, navigate to Table. When you hover your mouse over Table, a secondary menu should appear. Click on Table Options, and a sidebar will open on the right side of the window, offering more customization features. In this new sidebar, find and click on Table to reveal adjustable options. You'll spot color settings, border width, and line style adjustments here. Click Color to customize the border color to something that matches your document's theme or makes your data easier to differentiate. If you're looking to change the border thickness or style, click on border width or line style to choose the specifications you prefer. Once you've made your selections, these changes will automatically apply to the entire table, giving it a refreshed appearance that enhances readability. And there you have it. With just a few quick clicks, you can customize the borders of your tables in Google Docs to make them more visually appealing and functional for your audience. Whether you're creating a report, a chart, or a simple data table, these uncomplicated steps will help make your documents look just the way you want them to.